Here's 20 bad habits that destroy small YouTube channels, and you are definitely doing at least one of them. Which one is it? Let us know in the comments below. I bet it's number 8. Constantly comparing yourself to others. It's easy to look at someone who has, say, 100,000 subscribers and say to yourself, I'll never get there. But remember, you're seeing their chapter 317 while you are on chapter 2 of your YouTube journey. Comparisons crush creativity, so focus on your goals, your path, your growth. And in reality, the only comparison you need to beat is, well, your last upload. Not spending enough time on your thumbnails. If you're treating thumbnails as an afterthought, then you're sabotaging your video before it even gets a chance. They are the first thing people see, and sometimes the only thing. Think of them as the movie poster or the cover of a book or the packaging on a supermarket shelf. A great thumbnail grabs attention, it tells a story and makes a person want to click in 2 seconds or less. Here's my general rule of thumb, pun very much intended. Spend twice as long on your thumbnails and cut out half of your text, colours, objects in your thumbnails. They're far too complicated. Ignoring comments. When someone leaves a comment on your video, they're not just engaging, they're invested. They've taken the time to connect, contribute, show an interest. Ignoring that is like being given a compliment and walking away in silence. A simple reply or even a quick heart can make someone feel seen, heard, valued. And when people feel invested and valued, they come back. Not defining a target audience. If you don't know who your video is for, well, how can you make it resonate? Everyone isn't an audience. In the words of Admiral Akbar, it's a trap! So define who you're talking to. What do they care about? What are they struggling with? What makes them click? The clearer your target audience is in your mind, the more focused your content can be, making it easily relatable. Rambling at the start. Look, I get it. You want to ease into things, maybe give a little life update. But if you spend the first 90 seconds of your channel saying, hey guys, welcome to my channel, and not actually telling us what the video's about, then we are out of there. This is YouTube and not your therapy session. Remember what you promised in the title and the thumbnail? That's what matters first. Hook us in fast and tell us what the video's about. And then maybe if you want to, you can tell us why your dog stole the TV remote again. Jasper. Jumping on every single trend that you see on YouTube. Chasing trends is like trying to chase ice cream trucks. You'll get tired fast, and it typically ends in great disappointment. If every single video is a reaction to what's trending today, then you'll quickly lose the identity of what your channel is about. Now sure, you can hop on a trend every once in a while if it fits your style and topic, but try not to turn your whole channel into the YouTube equivalent of what's hot this week, unless that's what you're trying to do with your channel. Not creating video series. One-off videos are absolutely fine, but if every single video is disconnected, then you lose the ability to build momentum on the channel. Content series, content formats, content buckets, make your channel bingeable. Viewers finish one video, the next one is already lined up and it's something they want to watch. That's how watch time climbs and subscribers follow. If you need them. Thinking subscribers are more important than they are. It is easy to obsess over subscriber counts, but here's the truth. A subscriber might lead to a view, but a view leads to everything. Watch time, engagement, more impressions, more discovery. Subscribers in themselves don't guarantee views. Plenty of channels have huge subscriber counts, but very flat video performance. So focus instead on making content that people keep watching. If your videos are good and you are irreplaceable, then subscriber counts will take care of themselves. So instead of asking someone to subscribe to your channel, ask them to watch another one of your videos. That's far more important. Just bad audio. So people will forgive a little shaky video, but they'll never forgive bad audio. If your voice sounds like you're calling from a tin can in a hurricane, it is game over. Now you don't need a Hollywood microphone. A lapel microphone will do just fine. But even if you can't afford one of them, if you use your mobile phone close to your voice in a quiet room, it'll work wonders. Giving up too soon. So you post 3 videos, they all flop, and suddenly you're Googling how to delete your YouTube channel. Relax. Most creators take dozens of uploads, some hundreds of uploads before they see any momentum on their channel. YouTube is a marathon with occasional sprints, so stick with it. And the YouTube channel you're jealous of right now probably failed more than 50 times before things started to click. Boring, vague video titles. Thumbnails stop the scroll, but titles make people click. This is your pitch, the promise, the here's why you should care about this video in 60 characters or less. Don't overcomplicate things, don't try and be too clever. Be clear, specific, and ideally intriguing. Don't just tell somebody what the video is about, tell them why they should care. Just like the thumbnail, you have about 2 seconds of somebody's attention before they move on. Overcomplicating production. Spent 6 hours editing an intro sequence nobody watches, have you? Yeah, we've all been there. Fancy effects and transitions are great until they stop you from uploading a video. The viewer always wants value first, not cinematic production levels. So keep it clean, keep it moving, and by all means experiment with new techniques and skills, but don't let perfectionism stall your progress. Inconsistent uploads. You know that friend who says to you, "We should hang out sometime," and then never texts you back? That's what you're doing when you don't upload a video. Your audience loves consistency, and it's kind of like a gym membership for your channel. If you show up, you'll see results. Now, you don't have to upload every single day. Just pick a rhythm and stick to it. Commit to consistency. Weekly, bi-weekly, once a month, cool. Whatever cadence makes you comfortable. Just don't ghost your regular viewers like a Tinder match you accidentally swiped right on. Creating videos with no clear value. Here's the thing, viewers click videos because they want something. Answers, laughs, tips, stories, emotional breakdowns. Or is that just me? If your video is just rambling off into the void about nothing, then your viewers are out. Always try to ask yourself before you begin the video, what is the payoff for the viewer? Even your most personal videos should offer something. Comfort, relatability, or that sweet, sweet moment when somebody says to themselves, "Oh yeah, me too." Not reviewing old content. Uploading and then forgetting about what you've done isn't a strategy, it's self-sabotage. Some of your old videos might actually be good. They just need a little repackaging. So when you do get better at making thumbnails and writing titles, go back to the videos you think still have value and maybe tweak them. Being too generic. Trying to appeal to everybody ends up appealing to no one in particular. If your content feels like it could have come from anyone, viewers won't remember you. Let your personality shine through your content. Whether it's your humor or your accent or the way you explain things, lean into that individuality. That's what makes you interesting, different, but also relatable. And yes, all of those things can go together all at once. Making videos you wouldn't watch yourself. If you're not excited to watch your own videos, why would anyone else be? Sometimes we all chase topics that we think will get us more views and earn us more money. But if it bores us, it'll bore everyone else as well. Your best videos come from things that you are genuinely curious and passionate about, even if it is niche. So go back to a video that you made a couple of months ago and re-watch it. Did you enjoy it? If not, why not? Not testing new formats. Always doing talking head videos and got really good at them? Cool. Now it's time to master something else. Screen recordings, over-the-shoulder demos, interviews, voiceover edits. It's time to try something fresh. Now, testing doesn't mean that you abandon your style and the things that you're already good at. It's a way of keeping things interesting for you and your viewers. And remember, you don't have to be perfect. Fail and then fail again. You'll learn something every time you do. Watching big creators, but not studying them. Watching top YouTubers as a viewer purely for entertainment is a missed opportunity as a creator. Instead, analyze them. How did they hook me as a viewer? How do they pace their edits? What does their thumbnail do that grabs my attention? And how do they write their titles? Try to break it down like you're reverse engineering a magic trick. And then test the stuff you like and admire in your own videos with your own unique spin. No call to action. Not asking your viewers to do something is like owning a shop and never opening the door. People often need a little push or a prompt, so give them one. That's why I asked you that question at the beginning of this video. And always try to earn that call to action before you ask for it. Now, I assume you found this video valuable because you've made it through to the end, but I don't want you to subscribe. Instead, my call to action is to recommend you watch this video, which is all about how important the views you're getting right now, even as a small channel, and how few they might be, are the most important ones you'll ever get because they could change your life. I get a view, you get more value, everybody wins.